Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nazee. If you're new here, welcome. Karibu sana. Today's video is a makeup tutorial. I created this purple glittered eye makeup look as an inspiration for Val's Day, date night, whatever you're doing on Valentine's Day. If you like what you see and you want to know how I created this look, please keep on watching. Damn. Doing a purple glitter look today. I want to do something different because I know that someone like me, I might not wear like a red makeup that day. So for this look, I'm going to be using the Masquerade Mini by Juvia. I'm going to be using this shade here, I might actually take a little bit of this shade. I'm using Zulu here first, and then I'll go in with Ada. I don't know if it's Ada or Ada. And also I'll go in with Chi and then Makeda. Yeah. So next I'm going in with the shade Ada. That's like the burgundy shade. I'm taking that into my crease. I'm going into the shade Chi. It's very gorgeous blue. Next, I'm going in with the shade Makeda. Makeda is the purple shade. So I went back into the shade Ada. That's the burgundy shade. Go on top and blend here. Remove any harsh line. You can use a powder. I'm using my powder actually. You can use a pressed powder. You can use an eyeshadow. So I'm going to be using this purple glitter. It's actually a pigment. It's not glitter. It's very small. It's like shimmer, loose shimmer. I can't remember where I bought this from actually. But it's called Beauty Treats. And see what it looks like. So I'm going to be using the e.l.f. glitter adhesive. I'm going to use my brush, take the glue, and then dip my brush into the glitter. See what I mean? Colourpop eyeliner. It's the color green. Let me see what it will look like on me. I have green waterline. For my eyeliner, I'm going to be using the Inglot gel liner. So for the fact that I don't have an applicator, I'm going to be using this. This is my Wet n Wild Mega Slim eyeliner, but it's over, so I'll just use it as an applicator. I'm going to be putting my lashes on. I really don't have the energy to be putting my lashes back inside the tray. I just put it inside the box like this. Oh! So I'm going to put my lashes on off camera. Stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. I'm back! Okay, now it's time for my face. If you're doing your eye makeup first, when you're done with your eyes, you have to use your wipes to like clean your face thoroughly, clean out every excess, fallout and stuff. But if you're doing your face first, what I mean by face first is if you're putting your foundation, your powder, everything first, you have to put powder around your cheeks so that when you have fallout, it's easy for you to sweep off the fallout. So I'm going in with my Nivea soft moisturizing cream. Make sure you moisturize. Moisturizer actually helps with the longevity of your makeup. Also makes it look very flawless. My skin looks so good. Like, I've been drinking loads of water this period. Drink water and mind your business. So next I'm going in with my primer, and I'm going to be using the same NYX Angel Veil Primer. This primer is the OG. And the foundation I'm going to be using today is the Black Opal Stick Foundation in the shade Nutmeg. Guys, let me tell you something. The truth about this foundation is that I never had the opportunity to use Black Opal ever in my entire life in makeup until I watched a video on YouTube and I saw the effect of the Black Opal Stick Foundation. I was like, whoa, I need to try this. And ever since I tried it, I've been sold. I love it so much, especially when I use it on brides. So I'm going to be using my damp beauty blender to just blend the foundation in. This foundation is the OG. If you have blemishes, discoloration and stuff, I advise you to use this foundation. Can you see the coverage of this foundation? It's amazing. Now it's time for my highlight and contour, and for my highlight and contour I'm going to be using the Colourpop concealer in dark 42, and then for my contour I'm going to be using the Marykay foundation in bronze 8. Yeah, this is the Colourpop concealer in dark 42. My camera stopped recording, but this is my nose contour. I was just saying that when you're contouring your nose, you need to start from the beginning of your eyebrow. Just take it all the way down. You use your beauty blender to just give it that seamless finish. Just blend this. For my under eye, I'm going to be using Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder. I'm going to take a whole lot with my beauty blender. So after that, I'm going into a proper setting powder, Revlon. Buff it off. If you want to add more powder, that's fine. If you don't, it's not really necessary. I'll be using the Stick Cosmetics blush palette. I'm going to be using this and this together. I'm going to be using the Zaron Cosmetics face. I think I've been looking here for a while now. My God, sorry guys. Zaron Cosmetics Face Definer Palette. I'm going to use this shade to highlight a little bit. I don't like to highlight all the way down, so I actually do the tip of my nose and over here. It gives it that natural look. As you can see, then you come here and highlight this junction, then your temple. So guys, for my lips, I'm going to be using the Jordana brow pencil as a lip pencil. I'm going in with the Zaron Cosmetics lipstick pencil. And finally, I'm going to be using my MAC Fix Me Matte Spray. This setting spray is really matte, so if you're going for a dewy look, I advise you not to use the setting spray. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. This is actually a Valentine date night makeup look inspiration. I'm actually wearing this really nice earrings I bought from Beauty Galore. Yeah, I bought these earrings from Beauty Galore. It's really nice and chunky, and it's actually not very heavy. Guys, you know that I'm not going anywhere today. Hey, God. How will I stay at home with this makeup? I don't get it. Yeah, so if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to share and like. And also please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So I will see you guys in my next video. Have a blessed day and stay fabulous. Bye.